Let's complete the trilogy, Bitcoin through every time frame, with just one line, just one conclusion, versus dollar. Let's complete that trilogy. Yesterday I stated the importance of this point. How will Bitcoin react right now? We are again in an upburst, but if you follow what I said in the previous video, the previous two videos, we are in a bull mode definitely, but currently in a slippery mode. How will the Bitcoin react right now when we are approaching this upward sloping trend line? It was a support here, it was a support here, we broke it and are now approaching it. Today is no different than a few days ago. We are at the monumental point, and in my opinion, now could be a resting period. Will we rest for some time and then continue, or rest in a fiercely manner to the downside? Both options are still alive. So in the short term, because of this huge move, I would be very careful trading Bitcoin. Don't think that we can continue this momentum without any pauses, because this move really don't have any pauses, right? Maybe the best scenario is just to rest a little in this period and then continue right where we want to be, right? Okay, that would be nice. Short-term bullishness is undeniable, but would I enter Bitcoin at this moment? No, I wouldn't, but that's just me. In any case, let's zoom out to the weekly chart. Now when we zoom out, this is looking much better, and it's giving us room to the upside, and that is the most important thing when you see good stuff on the weekly chart, the bigger one. Like always stating, I think this is the line that's mattered the most, and Bitcoin is doing what it should be doing, and that is breaking to the upside after this beautiful hammer and breaking the downtrend. For those of you living under the rock, after the peak, here we established the downtrend, but here we broke it. Since we did broke the downtrend, it's not mandatory, although I'm always stating a possibility exists that we do this to the ground that you are waiting for. But more probable scenario is this: maybe some consolidation areas, and then rest, consolidation, blah blah blah. You are getting the drift. No straight lines, just consolidations up, or pullbacks. And one more time, this video will show you, yes, it is a possibility that we do this. Crush all your dreams. I'm definitely not a bear, but touch this box when you thought that you will never see again. This is what markets do. Markets are pretty good in making surprises. They are not here to do what you want to do. One more time, and I'm already sick of it. This is the third video in a row about Bitcoin in which I'm stating there is still a possibility that we go to the lows that you had at the end of 2022. And then, slowly but surely, I mean, this is not looking slowly, but you know, continue. If you don't take into account that this possibility exists, then I'm sorry, but you will be properly, yeah. And now the monthly chart. Of course that on the monthly chart nothing is changing from the previous video or previous two, because every candle is 1 month. But I will continue to speak about this line, because it's the only line that I see that makes any difference, and it's the bullish line. Although here we decided it's no good. It was giving us support here. After the breakout, Bitcoin is not dead. One more time, I will give you my scenario, although if you are watching this video and this is the third in our trilogy session, thank you very much. You know that I'm expecting something like this. Big blowing top, 100k, 200k, really don't care at this moment. And then we could speak about some problems that are awaiting Bitcoin and so on. So, I'm expecting a big retest of the supportive line that was holding us for years. That is how technical analysis works. What was once a support, now it could be resistance, but who cares? If you care about the money, take your 100k Bitcoin and then run away, because then it is a possibility that we do something much more scarier than you ever anticipated. I'm not calling for that of Bitcoin. After that touch, who knows? For now, absolute bullishness in the next few years, or even better, months. The point is, Bitcoin is not over. And if you're watching this video, you will be rewarded. How do I know? Because you are super early to the next bull that is coming to your town. Who said it? The dinosaur that's about to roar and show you the next video.